having a good product alone does not mean that you will sell, because having a good product alone will not put you in the front of people. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is BETH FAYEMI, a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about things to note before you start your business part 2. So I did a part 1 and I'm going to link it up here. Why I'm doing this part 2 is because I realized after my part 1 there were so many things that I did not share, and I would love to share it with you guys in this video. So if this is your first time of seeing me on my channel, welcome. I hope that after this video it give you a reason to subscribe to my channel. So without so much talk, let's get into the video. So my point 1 is recognize your target audience. I did not talk about target audience in part 1 because I just felt that everybody would know their target audience before starting their business, but then I realized that some people actually don't know how to find their target audience. And luckily for you guys, I'm going to make another video explaining target audience explicitly, how to find them, how to market to them, what to do when you find them, how to just find your target audience very easily. I'm going to make another video on that, so definitely watch out for that video. But in this video I'm laying a lot of emphasis on finding your target audience. So you have to find your target audience down to their gender, down to their age group, down to every little thing. Should they be working class? Should they be stay-at-home moms? Should they be professionals? There are so many factors that you have to consider when choosing your target audience. That will help you when you're marketing to them. So I'm laying a lot of emphasis on recognizing your target audience before you actually start your business. It will save you a lot. So my second point is be ready to take responsibility for everything that happens in your business. Why? Because at the end of the day, only you cares about your business more than every other person that is working for your company. So regardless of who made what happen, be ready to take that responsibility for it. If it's your employees, be ready to take responsibility. Because if you have that mentality at the back of you, it will be easier for you to solve problems rather than pushing blames from person to person. So always have this, I'm going to take responsibility for everything that happens in my business before you actually start your business. Because sometimes some hard things will happen, but you have to take responsibility for it, because at the end of the day, it is your business. And like I said before, nobody really cares about your business more than you, the owner, more than you, the founder of your business. So have it at the back of your mind that no matter what happens in your business, you're going to take responsibility for it. That's my point number 2. So point number 3 is have an action mentality. So having an action mentality means having ideas, always wanting to do one thing, then do another thing, then do another thing. This is because you want growth in your business. Don't just have a mentality of what is going to happen in 1 month time. Have a mentality of what is going to happen in 1 year time, 2 years time, 5 years time, 10 years time, 20 years time in your business. It's to induce growth in your business. So I spoke on that in this video, which I'm linking up here. Madam CJ Walker, the first ever female millionaire. So she had an action mentality, and it was a good lesson to learn from that movie. The link of the lessons I learned from this movie is going to be in the description as well. So I would advise that after this video, you should definitely watch it. So having an action mentality would save you in your business, because you're looking ahead of what to happen in your business a long time from now. So you should definitely make growth happen in your business. So have an action mentality. So my 4th point is having a good product alone does not mean that you will sell. So I'm sure you're like, what am I saying? Yes, exactly. What am I saying? Having a good product alone does not mean that you would sell, because having a good product alone will not put you in the front of people. Now, what do I mean by this? There's so many other factors that induce sales. For example, if your marketing is wrong, people will not even know that you have a good product in the first instance for them to be able to shop your product. So your marketing has to be good. Your branding has to be good. So many factors that you have to put in place for people to even see your brand, to know the kind of quality that you give in your brand. If your branding is really whack, people will not know that behind that branding is a good product. So look for other things that you can push to people in order for them to see that your good product is actually a good product, because having that product alone does not mean that you would sell out. And now number 5 is your product or service must be solving a problem. Now I know that you've heard this so many times and then you're like, oh, here she goes again with solving a problem. Yes, it must actually solve a problem, because if it's not solving a problem, nobody is going to buy that product. Your problem does not have to be one world-changing kind of problem or something that is going to save the earth problem, but it must exist no matter how little it is. Look at every little product or every little service. It is actually solving a problem one way or the other. So look at your product. If you cannot identify the problem that your product is solving, then it means that you shouldn't even go into that business in the first instance, because once you identify a problem, that is one easy way to communicate with your target audience. And if you cannot identify that problem, then it means that the product is not a good product to sell, because if people don't know the reason why they should shop that product, then people will not shop that product. So your product or service must solve a problem before it can actually sell. That's my point number 5. Point number 6 is take one day at a time. Don't overstress yourself, because if you overstress yourself and it has an adverse effect on your health, at the end of the day, you have yourself to blame because you're the one managing your business. Before you start your business, you're like the one managing your business. So if you overwork yourself and then you land in the hospital, for example, who's going to take care of your business? Nobody will really take care of your business like you. So take one day at a time. Now, when I mean take one day at a time, I don't mean that don't do things you're meant to do. Put things in place, put the necessary work in place, put the necessary structures in place. But at the end of the day, know when to rest, know when to take a step back and rest on issues in your business. This would definitely save you on the long run in your business. So that's my point number 6. And my point number 7 is have policies in your business. In my business series, I talk about policies a lot. If you haven't subscribed, I would advise that you subscribe to my channel right now. So I talk about policies a lot in your business because policies help business structures easier. So to help your business structure stand firm, basically. So have policies, all kinds of policies that you can, and to help you in running your business. So before you start your business, I would advise that you actually set policies ahead because it will save you a lot of stress in your business in future. So never neglect the place of policies in your business. It actually helps and rules every business. Think about every big brand. They all have policies guiding and governing them. And no matter what happens, they can't really change their policies for any customer that comes along. Likewise, you starting a business, have that mentality at the back of your head that you want to be a big brand. So at the end of the day, you should make policies before you actually start. And even in the course of running your business, you could switch up your policies in order to favor your business more. So point number 7 is have policies in your business. And my last point is do not compare yourself to any other person or your business to any other person's business. Even if you start your business today and another person starts his or her business in 6 months time and then their business is doing better than your business, don't look at it as a bad thing. Don't compare yourself. Don't think that the effort that you're putting is not enough. It's actually very possible that you're not putting a lot of effort, but it's also very possible that you're putting enough effort that you should be. But at the end of the day, everybody's success is different. So just have it at the back of your mind that some people will definitely do better than you. Even in this YouTube journey, a lot of people are doing better than me. That doesn't mean I'm not going to grow. That doesn't mean my success is going to stop. But just have it at the back of your mind that comparison doesn't help anybody at all. Don't compare yourself to anybody. Just run your own race in your own lane and you definitely grow in your own way. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I really appreciate it. Share this video to any business owner that you know or anybody that wants to start a business. It should definitely be helpful to them. Click this button if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel so you can subscribe to my channel. Also, displayed on the screen right now is a video for you to watch next and my business talks playlist so that you can learn more about business. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.